Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain this week's activity. It's called How It All Began, Cómo comenzó todo. We are studying Unit 2 that is called Technology and its Effects. This is a reading and listening comprehension activity and you can find it on pages 48 to 55. The objective of this activity, as you see, to demonstrate comprehension of general ideas and explicit information on oral text, etc., etc. So first, you're going to find these 5 pictures of people using their cell phones. Okay, you're going to look at the pictures, analyze them, look for the main idea of them, and then answer these questions. This part is followed by a quote by Steve Jobs. And it says, technology is nothing. What's more important is that you have a faith in people, that they are basically good and smart, and if you give them tools, they'll do wonderful things with them. Okay? So now you answer these 3 questions. The first one says, do you think we are prisoners of technology? Why or why not? In which way is addiction to technology manifested? And the third one, do you agree with Steve Jobs' quote? Why or why not? Next activity, number 1, because the other one was just the introduction of the unit. So this is activity number 1. It says, think about what you already know about technology. Have a look at the pictures from A to D and name the different technological advances. Look for information and write the year of invention. Okay? Tienes que poner el nombre, the name of these devices or technological advances, and the year they were invented. Then you're going to choose one of the advances and you're going to look for information and complete this diagram. Tienes que buscar información de uno de estos, el que tú elijas, and then fill with the information. The purpose, what's the purpose of the invention? Okay, the advantages, the date of invention, and disadvantages. Okay, it's very simple. And then you're going to listen to a recording that I'm going to read right now, and then fill this file with the information that they're going to ask you. So this is a recording, and it starts like this. There is a presenter, and there is this other guy called Mark. So the presenter says, good morning and welcome to another edition of Technology Times. Today, we're going to learn about the most significant technology advances of the last century, which had an impact on today's world. Hello, Mark. Then Mark says, hi, Kate, you're right. Perhaps the greatest advance in technology was the invention of computers. It can be traced back to almost 200 years ago, when Charles Babbage, a mathematics professor, proposed a machine called a difference engine. When was that again? Almost 200 years ago, in 1822, actually. Unbelievable, right? The machine was large as a train and had a stored program, could perform a small number of operations and print the results automatically. But personal computers, as we know them today, were introduced in 1981. And well, this amazing device led to the creation of the internet. In the 1960s, it was conceived as a tool to link university and government research centers. Nowadays, the internet is not owned or controlled by any company, corporation, or nation. It connects a large number of people in most countries instantaneously through computers, fiber optics, satellites, and phone lines. And last but not least, in the year 1973, Dr. Martin Cooper was the first person to make a call on a portable cellular phone. With the help of a telecommunications company, he invented the first portable handset, which was incredibly large and heavy compared to today's smartphones. Then the presenter says, thanks very much, Mark. It's been very interesting. And dear audience, I expect all of you back in 3 days in technology times. Okay, so this is the recording you're supposed to listen to fill this file. Okay, if you have any problems, you can send me an email and I'm going to send you a recording of my voice reading it again. And last but not least, you're going to look at these sentences from the audio, the thing I just read, and you're going to answer questions A, B, and C. The first says, the machine could perform a small number of operations. Second one says, it connects a large number of people in most countries. And the last one says, I expect all of you in 3 days. So question A says, what do these expressions in bold refer to? ¿Cuál de esas expresiones en negrita, in bold, refer to? Quantity or size? Then B says, match the expression with the corresponding pictures. Okay, hay tres gráficos, perdón. Hay tres gráficos de pie y ustedes tienen que poner el número. Uno dice a large number of. ¿Cuál de estos se refiere a large number of? The second one, all of. ¿Cuál de estos es all of? And the third one, small number of. Okay, so then you have to say 3 sentences expressing quantity. You can write them. 3 sentences to express quantity. Okay, using a small number of, a large number of, and all of. So that's it. Okay, remember, if you have any doubts, you can write me an email or wait until our class during the week. Okay, so that's all, and bye. We see each other soon.